Help support our coverage with a free account on Privacy, the service that keeps you protected when shopping online. Get $5 to try it now by using promo code QZZ2J. And with Blueberry, the community that gives creators the power to make money, get detailed audience measurements, and host their audio and video. Get a 30-day free trial by using promo code Blueberry004.
So, Felipe, how you doing?
Okay, how are you?
Doing great. I bet you can hear me now.
I can hear you. And myself. Okay.
So we're excited to have you on the show. Glad you can make it last second like this.
Yeah, well, thank you for having me. Appreciate it.
Absolutely. So
this is Giftapart.
This is Giftapart.
Yeah. So tell us a little bit about it.
Yeah, Giftapart's pretty cool. We're the world's first social e-commerce marketplace, and we're also the world's first place in the world where you can actually create a gift registry and get the items that you want in the order that you want. So if you think about that, right? People typically, when they make a gift registry, they don't always get the items that they really want. But sometimes the things that they really want are a little bit more expensive, right? So if let's say you want a refrigerator for your present.
Yes.
Well, most of your friends can't really afford to buy a refrigerator, right? So Giftapart has a system that breaks it up into parts, and then all your friends can come in and chip in and buy those parts. But so it's like crowdfunding, right? But what's really cool about us is that we're super social. So when your friends come in and they buy the parts that they can afford to buy, they can leave a comment linked to those parts. That's forever linked to the parts. So you actually feel like you're buying part of that refrigerator.
Okay. So I can say, I bought you a refrigerator, but I bought you just the water filter.
I guess, yeah. So we break it up into these arbitrary parts. So yeah, so you basically come in and you buy the parts that you can afford to buy. So it's really fun.
I was thinking of the ice cubes actually for me. So
the ice cube machine.
Yeah, but what's cool, it works for everything. So let's say you're a teenager and you're hoping to get that new tech gadget, right? Well, you can come on Giftapart and you can actually set it up as a gift for yourself, right? And it'll break it up into the parts, and now you can have all your friends and family chip in and get that thing that perhaps you wouldn't be able typically to afford.
So your birthday's coming up, graduation's coming up, whatever.
Yep.
Very interesting.
Yeah.
I know, especially for baby showers, there are a lot of things you can put on your registry that are very expensive. And looking through that registry, you can say, I don't know if I can afford any of this stuff. I'm just going to get you a card, with some cash.
Yep. Right. So part of this, so let's say I have that new PlayStation I want to buy, or the Nintendo for whatever, for my birthday coming up, right? Do you partner with Nintendo then, so that when you hit that $300 threshold, that the device is then actually shipped to you? Is that how this works?
Yeah. Well, Giftapart is a full e-commerce marketplace. We have right now about 200 retailers and about 25 million products. So we have products on our platform from Best Buy and Macy's and a lot of the big box retailers. So you can actually find almost anything you want on our platform. We have a tremendous amount of inventory and product line. And so when the product is funded or you buy it, it's actually shipped directly from the retailer, and so you get it right to your house.
That's amazing.
That's awesome.
Yeah. And the whole process is super social. So everything in our site is really, really social and connective. Right? The idea is to connect people.
Yep.
So we're the first company in the world to create social e-commerce. Every product on our platform is linked with a specific social feed. So let's say you're looking at a TV and you want to find out more about it. Well, you don't have to go and just read reviews. You can actually interact with other people and find out more about the product. So it's very engaging and social. And even retailers are allowed to come in and engage in the conversation. So it's a whole different type of online e-commerce experience.
That's for sure.
I like the fact that I'm not just going to give you money.
Right.
Because I don't know if I'm giving you $50 so that you can go out and get whatever you're after. Once they get the money, they could go and do whatever they want with it. Right. I love the fact that there's an end game here.
You're personalizing what you're getting.
Yep. And that they just can't go out and get the money and then go do something else with it.
It's really a win-win for everybody.
Yep.
Like me as a gift receiver, I get what I really want to get. Perhaps an item that typically no one could afford.
Right.
And for the gift giver, it's super easy. All you do is come to my item. You just click on the parts and you pay and you're done. It's like 1, 2, 3. So you're actually making it much easier for your gift givers to be able to contribute to the item you really want.
Yep.
So it's really a win-win for everyone. And we also have, by the way, we have full event planning on our platform. So let's say you're having a birthday party or even your wedding. You can actually plan your whole event on our platform. You can invite your guests, through email, text messaging, all through the platform, automated. It sends out invitations. Your guests can RSVP right to the platform. And the whole process is really social. So every event has a dedicated social feed just for that event. So now your guests can kind of chit-chat about the party. They can upload their pictures, all their selfies that they take at the party. They can all be uploaded right to your event page. It's a really cool way for you as the host to be able to grab all that media from all your guests into one place.
Interesting.
Yeah. And we have a really cool slideshow feature. So let's say you're having a party or a wedding, a wedding, right? You're having a wedding. You can tell your guests that upload all your pictures here at Giftapart, right?
Yeah.
So what we do is, you actually have a slideshow feature that you can play your pictures in real time at the event itself.
Yeah.
So as guests are uploading, taking pictures and uploading them to Giftapart, those pictures can actually play on a projector or a big screen.
Very nice.
And so people can actually see their pictures popping up, in real time.
So you could have like table tents on everybody's thing, and you could suggest, create a QR code, for example, that people could just upload their photos to or whatever.
Yeah. So it's really cool.
So where would someone go to sign up for Giftapart?
Well, Giftapart's available on any browser at giftapart.com, but we also have apps. You can go to Google Play Store, you can go to the Apple App Store and download our apps. So our apps are free. The platform is free to use.
Awesome.
There's no cost to the user to use any of our features that I mentioned.
So I have maybe a question that you weren't expecting us to ask today. So why are you at CES? I mean, what is your goal for being here? Because this seems to be more of a marketing. I mean, you want to get the word out, of course, and maybe this is why you're here. But are you looking for additional partners, or what is it that you're looking for here?
Yeah. Well, Giftapart's here for two reasons, really. Number one is we want to introduce our platform to the world. Our apps have been out for 2.5 months. We think it's an awesome platform. It has a lot of features, and we want people to know about it. So
it is definitely an awesome platform.
It is.
Thanks a lot. Thanks. So we want people to know about it, right? So I think people are going to love it when they try it out, and so that's certainly probably our main reason for being here. As a tech startup, we're also exploring the possibility of getting additional funding. So we're also here for that. So
very nice.
But this is a great event. We're having a great time here and really been enjoying it.
Yeah. We're glad that you had the time to come up and see us as well.
I appreciate having us here.
I appreciate it.
Thank you.
And good luck to you.
Thank you very much.
Have a great rest of your show.
Thank you. Thanks, guys.